Curtis Trades here, and today I'm going to show you how to patch a tire with a rope plug kit. These are super easy to use. All the directions are on it, and we're going to go over it really quickly. If you do want to purchase one of these, I'm going to send you a link down in the description to purchase one as well. Alright, so first you're going to pull this out. You don't need to take the tire off unless you can't reach where it's at on there. And you do not want to remove the air out of the tire. It makes it a lot harder to get the new plug in there, so don't take the air out and only remove the tire if you need to. This is your ream, and what this does, it roughs the hole up so that it's not smooth, and that allows the plug to stay in there and stick in there better. Once you have reamed the hole out, you're going to put your plug through the fork here. Pull it halfway through here. If it comes with contact cement or rubber cement, put that on there. And you put it on in the middle of the plug. So two quick tips is that when you're reaming it out, you really want to ream it out good. That way you can get your plug in a little easier. It is pretty difficult to get your plug in there in such a tiny hole. And then the other thing is when you pull your fork out, pull it quick and straight. Don't twist it when it's in there. Just pull it straight out. If you pull it slow, it wants to pull the plug out. If you pull it real quick, it'll release from the plug. Then let this cure up. Usually overnight's probably good enough. And you cut it off with a razor blade.